Terraces are made beautiful with various flooring designs using mosaic tiles, also called china chips. Water seepages originate from the terrace area, and hence waterproofing of terraces plays a very important role in solving this problem. However, the current terrace waterproofing systems available give an opaque finish and thus hide away the beauty of the mosaic tile terraces. So, for those who want to retain the beauty of their mosaic tile terraces and want waterproofing as well, Asian Paints SmartCare brings to you the brand new offering, SmartCare Tile Coat. This product comes with a host of benefits. 2 years of waterproofing warranty on mosaic tiles on terraces. Clear coating that maintains the beauty of the mosaic tile surface. Waterproofing protection of up to 2 bars of hydrostatic pressure. Single pack, self-priming and easy to apply. Good crack bridging ability due to elastomeric properties. Strong adhesion to the mosaic tile substrate. Excellent resistance against UV. And the application process is also very simple. Surface preparation. Prepare the surface by cleaning and ensure that it is free of dust, oil, grease, grime, loose particles, etc. Remove any loosely adhered tiles or chips, if any. The substrate must be checked for its soundness. Small cracks, 3 mm or less, should be opened, cleaned and filled with SmartCare crack seal. Bigger cracks, damaged portions and hollow areas must be repaired with polymer modified screed. Application method. Before application, mix the material well with a mechanical mixer to get homogeneous brushable consistency. Apply first coat of SmartCare tile coat with brush, followed by roller. Allow it to dry completely for 2 to 3 hours. Apply second coat of SmartCare tile coat in the direction perpendicular to the first coat and allow it to dry for 2 to 3 hours. Apply third coat in the direction of the first coat and allow it to dry for 3 days for complete curing. Achieve a forced system coverage of 3.25 square meter per litre or 35 square feet per litre in 3 coats. The joints and corners need to be covered by SmartCare roof tapes and parapet walls should be covered by SmartCare damp proof. Waterproof your terrace and preserve its natural beauty with SmartCare tile coat.